Hello everyone, I am Piyush standing here in front of you from BCA PPU second year batch 1 to give a presentation on the topic Introduction to C language and why should we choose C language. But before starting over that, I would like to show my grateful gratitude towards Raju Padhyay sir for giving me this opportunity to stand over here and describe this topic. So, first of all, we should know what the contents are about, which are listed here. Introduction to C, what is C, why to choose C, advantage and application, and in the last we will know what is the future and future prospects of C. So coming to the next slide, this is basically the introduction of C, that what is C language. C language is a structured procedural programming language, which means it compiles every code in a structured manner, process by process, line by line. It is an efficient language. It is a low level language, but we can basically call it as a middle level language. But it stands between the higher level and the lower level because it can run on higher level as well as lower level machine as well. Coming to our next slide, which is that what is C programming language. I have already told that it is a procedural programming and it is a compiled language, which means it uses compiler. In the previous times it was an interpreter based language, but later on it was modified and it was converted into compiler based language. A compiler generally translates a code line by line and then give the output. Now, C is a hardware interacting language, which means we can create embedded system, microcontrollers and many more things by using C language. Coming to our next slide, which is about that why should we choose C programming language, because there are many languages in the world, but C is the base language for any user. It is the mother language for all. In future, if a programmer is going to choose C++ or Java, he or she should have the basic knowledge of C language. That is why we should choose C language. C language performance is amazing because C language is used in almost every field. Like if you are in building operating system, if you are going to develop games, app development and many more. C language has a direct control to the hardware system, and C language is portable, which is it's one of the most important feature. Portability can be said that it can run on any device, whether it is Mac OS, Windows, Linux, etc., without making any extra changes. Now, our next topic is what is the conclusion and future prospect of C. So, future prospect of C can be termed as it is a global language, which means C language has a global community where many researchers are there and they are growing this language day by day. Second point is continued evolution. C language itself contributes in its evolution, like C language can meet compilers, interpreters of other language as well as its own language. And C language is also growing in the emerging technologies, whereas we are saying the virtual reality, whose concept is almost based on C. But not only on C, but yes, it is also used by C language. So this is all from my side. Thank you.